Hi, lovely. Welcome back again. It's your girl Khadijat Ahmad. Guys, let's quickly tie this lace head wrap. Look at it. I place the lace through the back of my head and I bring the two lap forward. Look at the way I knot it. Just watch my hand. Concentrate on my hand and see. Look at the way I pack the excess. I secure it there. Yes, and I arrange it. I also push that excess in. Look at the way I adjust it. Yeah, I keep on arranging. Yes, I open this lap. Just watch my hand. Yes, I secure that one there. Yes, look at the way I'm going to pack that one. Yeah, look at the way I pack it. Yes, and I also secure the excess behind. Yes, look at I push in, the excess there. Look at it. Very simple. Yes, I push it back for more beauty. Look at, see the back. Very unique and beautiful. Yes, all about creativity. Yes. Yes, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.